So that's us parked up. As you can see, is just right there, just south of Giethoorn. I'm going to go up and visit Giethoorn. It's one of the places we've wanted to see and visit right from the beginning when we first thought about going out on the road in the motorhome. But in order to do that, we're going to have to walk down to the bridge right down there, and then the other side, the canal itself, all the way up the top there, and then just follow the road into Giethoorn. Looking forward to it though. Catch you in a bit. Check these goats out. One on the top there, got a trampoline, they've got a little thatch roof cottage. There's one there in a wheelbarrow. They've got an easy life, or a good life, haven't they? So from where we started off, at the top there, all the way up, over the canal, down this cycle footpath to this point here, where you turn off to go into Giethoorn, it's exactly 1 mile. Catch you in a bit. So this is us. We come up the road here and come to this T-junction. To the left is Giethoorn, which is where we're going now, but on the way back, away from the main road, we're going to follow that route there. At the moment we're 1.6 miles, so catch you in a bit. So that's us arrived at Giethoorn village. It's 1.77 miles. There's a map over there, tells us what's what. We'll have a quick look at that and then take a walk around or see if we can get a boat or whatever. Catch you in a bit. So we did a bit of a navigation error. When you come to the T-junction there, and we told us to turn left. Don't bother. It's turn right. Got all these boats here for hire and stuff like that. Oh well, didn't learn. Nobody got hurt. So we're hiring a boat from here. Prices are for an hour €35 for the blue boat, and for the grey boats, €40, because I said they're a little bit more comfortable. But we're only going for an hour. I'm just watching this family here. Good job the metal, because it's just crashing into it. And now I'm just waiting for Jack, and I'll be off. So that's just set off. I'm at the helm. Jack's in charge of the camera. I think we go left here.
Yeah, shit.
Look at this. No hassle whatsoever.
suppose one benefit is at least we've got an engine.
If you've never been to Giethoorn, I would definitely put it on your list to do. Absolutely amazing. Loving it, especially this little bit. Looking forward to walking through the village as well, and finding one of the hydration stations and having a little bit of hydration. What do you say, Jack?
Absolutely.
Them ducks. No care in the world. Not a good day for navigation for the Simpsons, because we should have gone this way. We're going now around to the left. Nearly a collision. But we went up the other way. Correcting ourselves now. Bit of a traffic jam here though. Bit of a go slow. Sunday drivers. So that's just now entering Giethoorn village on foot. Was it worth going on the boat? First part was a bit boring going out onto the lake itself, but then once you turned at the bottom and you started coming through the village of Giethoorn, the little canals and that, absolutely amazing buildings, as you've probably seen from some of the video footage. However, where we turned left when we should have gone straight on, that's when we started hitting a lot of traffic. And as you can see by people in this boat here, haven't got a Scooby-Doo what they're doing. Some are going slow and all that, but amazing. So if you end up hiring a boat from where we did, and we come down here just by the church there, we went left up there, and we shouldn't have done. We should have gone right here. So look out for the statue of the man and the church, and then turn right. I spot a hydration station. Now then, do you think she'll let me in there? I'll have to wait and see.